Tired of boring Webex meetings where nobody speaks? You know the feeling. You ask a question and all you get back is silence. It can be frustrating. Well, let me show you how to fix that. Learn how to create live polls in seconds using Slido, and suddenly your meetings go from awkward silence to real engagement. I will walk you through signing in, launching Slido, creating a poll, and reviewing the results. Let us start. First, make sure you are signed into your Webex account. This part is simple, just your usual login. I have tested this integration across multiple accounts, and it works the same every time, so no surprises here. Next, join or start your meeting. It can be a scheduled meeting or an instant one. It does not matter. Once you are in that meeting window, the magic happens. Now locate the Apps button in the meeting controls. It is usually down at the bottom of your screen, and it looks like a little grid of squares or sometimes a puzzle piece. Click that. From the list of available apps that pops up, choose Slido. I have found that if you do not see it right away, just scroll through the list. It is in there. The Slido panel will appear on the right side of your meeting window. This is your control center for everything interactive. Now click the plus Add button in the upper right corner of that panel. Choose Poll from the options that appear. This is where you get to be creative. Type your poll question and answer choices. For example, you might ask, which marketing strategy should we focus on this quarter? And then list your options. A quick tip from experience, keep your answer choices short and clear. If they are too long, people have to read a whole paragraph before they can vote, and that slows things down. You can also decide if you want participants to be able to pick just one answer or multiple ones. When you are ready, click Launch to make it live. Now, participants can see and vote on the poll right inside their Webex window. They do not have to go anywhere else or open a new tab. It just shows up for them. And here is the really important part. While the poll is running, you can watch the results update in real time. It is incredibly satisfying to see those bars grow as people vote. When you feel enough time has passed, close the poll. I usually give people about 30 seconds to a minute, depending on the question, but you can also let it run longer if needed. Once it is closed, you can review the results with your team. The results are displayed clearly as a bar chart or percentage, and you can share your screen to walk through them together. You have now successfully created a poll in Webex using Slido. From struggling to get a single word out of your team to watching them actively participate. That is a real shift. Try it out in your next meeting and see the difference it makes for yourself.